Hello and welcome. In today's video, where I'll show you how to find your current location on Google Maps quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Next, make sure that your phone's location, GPS, is turned on. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the location icon. Once your location is enabled, open Google Maps again. Now, tap the target icon, a small circle, in the lower right corner of the screen. If location permissions are not turned on for Google Maps, you need to enable them. Just select while using the app or only this time. Once you do that, tap again on the target circle. A blue dot will appear showing your location. Tap the target again to zoom in. Then, tap on the blue dot to see your exact address. And that's it! You successfully found your current location on Google Maps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.